Genius, as Edison said, is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. And that's very true when it comes to an idea that you believe will make a positive impact to your firm and your clients. Much of that 99% perspiration can come from what we refer to as innovation barriers, broadly grouped into 4 key areas of strategy and leadership, mindset and culture, processes, and resources. These headwinds that legal innovators encounter can prove fatal to that initial innovation spark. Understanding the forces that work against innovation is the first step in successful innovation. The second step in forging positive change is to understand the personal attributes that are required to see you break through those innovation barriers. To give us an insight into how to recognise and get past innovation barriers, we spoke to Alison Laird, Head of Innovation and Project Delivery at Pinsett Masons. Alison has spent the last decade working with Big Law and knows firsthand what it's like to get innovation accepted and moving in a big firm. We started by asking Alison, what have been the major innovation barriers that you've seen in law firms?
I think the biggest barrier to innovation in law firms is people. It's about the culture and the mindset that's so critically important to help innovation. It's as much about change management as it is about delivering innovation. And if the what's in it for me benefits are not actually outlined and highlighted and explained, then change is never going to happen. If we want to be delivering things faster, better and cheaper, we really need to be involving the people right from the outset. So getting the staff, employees, partners and clients involved in kick-off meetings, getting them to talk about the problems and coming up with solutions together will help increase that buy-in, so they'll actually then develop and deliver and implement the innovation, and that helps to overcome the barriers. I think there are a lot of unique solutions that can be implemented to overcome these sort of barriers. The most important thing is just to try something different. Innovation is all about doing things differently, trying something new. So maybe send a video message instead of an email. Maybe throw over the organisation and management of a project to your junior lawyers and get them to actually be responsible for coming up with a solution. So maybe you can get your leaders involved in doing something unique or different. Get them outside of their comfort zone as well. Or maybe hold a design thinking session where you get staff and clients to collaborate together and really define what the problem is with the user in mind and come up with an innovative solution. So innovative leaders don't demand change, they actually live it. They're the ones that lead by example and demonstrate the change in the behaviours that they seek. They understand and acknowledge that change is hard, but they're also able to communicate the benefits to the team, the organisation and the clients on the other side. And these sort of unique skills and attributes are critical to be able to drive and implement innovation in the business. I think the most important advice that I could ever give, which is advice that was given to me, is don't give up. You might be giving the same messages over and over and over to the same partners or the same group of people and not having any results. But one day, something's going to change. You'll see the light flick on behind their eyes and all of a sudden they get it and they become your biggest advocate. So patience and resilience are 2 of the most important attributes that you need to maintain, along with being able to manage an ambiguity and be flexible and adapt to the changing environment that innovation brings.